Wow! What a nice smaller car. This superb looking and fun 2011 Mazda 2 has a great ride and great power. I really enjoyed driving it. It's very clean, almost new, and really fun to drive. Mazda Certified Pre-Owned means you not only get the reassurance of a 12,000-mile limited warranty, and up to a 7-year 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, but also a 150-point inspection reconditioning, 24/7 roadside assistance, and a complete Carfax vehicle history report. Not only will it save you money automatic transmission the pump with its extremely good gas mileage, but will still excite your senses with plenty of zip. Awarded Consumer Guides rating, as a 2011 subcompact car Best Buy. Contact Roger Beasley Mazda of Georgetown 512-574-4462. And ask for Joe Mullins for